Welcome to Miss Rati's English class. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Alright, so let's talk about our class rules. First of all, you need to be on time for your session and you need to sit properly. If you are sitting on the carpet or on the mat, you need to sit like this girl. And if you are sitting on the chair, you need to sit also like this one. And you need to bring your pencil, your crayon, and your notebook because we are going to practice to write. I want you to listen and no shouting, please. So the letter for today is the letter P. The letter P. P is the name and P is the sound. But for us to be able to read and write words with that P sound, we focus on the letter sound, not the letter name. So I want you to say P, 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 P. Okay, and for more sound practice, you can go to YouTube and type Jolly Phonics letter P sound. Then you can listen to the song about the letter P sound and have more practice. One more time, let's say the letter P, P, P sound. P, 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 P. Very good. So I want you to keep on saying the letter P, P, P sounds. You can pause the video and practice to say P, 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 P. And the learning objectives for our lesson is to be able to identify and say the letter sound P, P, P. And number 2, to practice writing upper and lower case P, P, P. Number 3, name words with the P sounds. So these are the things that I want you to be able to do at the end of our session. Okay, so what's next? The next one, activity objects that begin with the P sound. Can you see? Look at the picture and I want you to name the objects that you can see here on the picture. What can you see? All these things, they start with the P sound. So you can pause the video and try to name them. All right. Okay, so let's do together now. This one is P for pillow and P for pineapple, P for pencil, the one you are going to use to write, and P for pen, the one your teacher uses to mark your work. All right, and potato, P for potato, and P for pizza, and P for pie, P for parrot, and P for pan. Very good. You can pause the video again and try to name the objects by yourself for more practice. And when you are done, we move on to learning to write the letter P sound. So when you are writing this one, the letter P, you start with step 1, you go down like this, and then you go back to the top and you make like a circle. That's your uppercase P. And you practice the lowercase one. You write your one. Now you start on the middle, okay? Then you go down. 1 going down. Then you start again. The top, you make like a circle. I want you to practice on the A. Write 1, then a 2, the lowercase one, 1, then a 2, you put the circle, all right? Now you can take your worksheet. If you don't have a worksheet or a booklet with these letters to trace, you can check on this website www.2happybears.com. You get amazing worksheets for handwriting practice. So I want you to practice, pause the video and practice to write the letter P sound. Okay? So you can stop the video and practice to write. When you are done with the worksheet, you can take also your notebook like this one, and then you will start to write independently. Now let's read. Reading is fun. We said one of our objectives is to be able to read. Okay, so we have done the writing part. Now we are reading the words with the P sound. We don't have many words. Okay, so the thing is we are going to read only words with the P sound using the letters that we have learned so far. We are not going to use letters that we did not do before, so that's why we have only 3 words. Okay, our focus is for you to master, to understand, to be able to say the letter sounds step by step. All right, so can we say P, 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 P? Say one more time again, P, 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 P. Very good. Now let's go to the next one in the yellow box. Now what is the sound for this one? Do you still remember? Yes, that's A sound. Can you say A, A, A? Very good. The green one, it's, what is the sound for the letter in the green box? That's T, 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 T. So let's read P, A, T. Pat. You can see here, she's patting the head. P, P, A, T. Pat. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, look at these ones. It's, do you still remember this one? We did it just now. That's the T sound. And this one, E, the E, E, E for ink. E, 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 ink. And P, 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 P. Good. So let's read the word T. E, P. Can you say it? T, E, P. What is the word? Tip. So we do T, E, P. Tip. Very good. This is the tip of our pencil. Let's go here. Now here is P, E, T. Let's do together. Say P, E, T. What is the word? Try. What is the word? Pit. Very good. Let's do one more time. P, E, T. Pit. This is the pit. That one. Very good. So I want you to pause the video and practice again to read. You can practice until you feel comfortable that you can read the words without struggling. Then you move on to writing the words. So can you remember which word is this one? Yes, we said pat. And this one, we said is tip. Good. And this one, pit. So we have the word pat, tip, and pit. Can you draw and write the words in your notebook? Stop the video and copy the drawings and write the words. You can stop the video, then do your work. When you are done, you come back to check if your words are correct. All right, so I want you to pause the video and try to write the words. Yes, now let's see if you did the correct thing. I will try to write here to show you the correct words. Okay, then you go up. Oh my goodness. Let me take the eraser and erase this one. This one is wrong. Okay. Then we'd write our T. But your letters should be nice, okay? Mine is not nice because I'm using my finger, and this one is tip. You need to write nicely, don't follow Miss Rati. Okay. You see, then you do your pen, and then we come here. What is this one? Okay, the last word is what? What is the last word? Pitch, right? Hey, Miss Rat is writing big letters now. I'm writing what I don't want. Let me remove this one. Even you, if you make a mistake, you can erase and write nicely, okay? Yes. If you make a mistake, erase and write nicely the way you want it. That's how we learn. You see? P E pit. Okay, so we have our words pat, pat, tip, tip, pit. Okay. Now we will move on to the next one. Did you get the words correctly? If you get them correctly, then clap. Well done. So now for your homework practice, I want you to say the letter sound p almost every time. And name 5 objects which start with the p sound. This one you can do it very well. And then if you forgot, you can check. We have them here. Those are the 5 objects that start with p sound. You can choose only 5. We have got so many, right? And let's see, your next task is to trace the letter p sound. I want you to keep on tracing it and to write it independently and to practice to read and write words with the p sound. Well done. You can show somebody your work and get a thumbs up. Okay, because you did a very, very great job. And this is the end of our session with Miss Rati for the letter P sound. I will see you again with another letter sound. If you like the session, can you please click like, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification on so that when Miss Rati upload a new video, you will get a message. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you again.